In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add authentication in Emergent AI. We'll walk through the process of setting up a login system while you build your app. And the nice part is that Emergent handles a lot of the heavy lifting for you. That makes this a great option if you want to move quickly without manually wiring everything together yourself. To get started, go to Emergent AI and begin a new chat. This is where you'll describe the app you want to create and guide the AI through the features you need. Starting with a fresh chat helps keep the instructions focused, especially if authentication is something you want built in from the beginning. Once the chat is open, ask the AI to build your app and be very clear that you need a login system included. This is an important part of the prompt because if you mention authentication early, the AI can plan the app structure around it instead of trying to add it later. When you describe your app, make sure the login requirement is explicit so the generated app includes the right user flow from the start. Next, choose your login method. Depending on your project, this could mean a standard email and password flow or another sign-in approach supported in the app setup. The key here is to select the method that best matches the experience you want for your users. If you already know how people should access the app, make that clear during this stage so the authentication setup aligns with your goal. After that, the AI agents will automatically create the database. This is one of the most helpful parts of the process because authentication usually requires user records and supporting backend structure. Instead of setting that up manually, Emergent takes care of it for you in the background. That saves time and also reduces the chance of missing an important piece of the login system. Once the app has been generated, open the interactive app preview. This lets you see how the authentication flow looks and behaves inside the app itself. It's a good opportunity to check that the login screen appears correctly and that the overall user experience feels smooth. Finally, test the login flow. Go through the authentication process inside the preview and make sure everything works as expected. You want to confirm that the sign-in experience is functional, clear, and connected properly to the app. If anything feels off, this is the right moment to catch it before moving on. That's how to add authentication in Emergent AI. As you can see, the process is straightforward, and by mentioning login requirements early, you make it much easier for the AI to build a complete app experience from the start.